Yeah, you've done it. I mean, three days is enough. You burn, seriously.
The barrel's just hot the whole time.
First of all, you don't shoot a 12 gauge down there, bro.
No.
You shoot a 20 or 28.
My theory with this group is it's always good to have something in your stomach.
Yeah. That is for sure.
Here we go.
Boy, it's gorgeous out here.
Yeah. So what we'll do is we can move one or we can move two each time, just so everyone gets an end cap in the middle. And
I was behind on that one.
got him. Killing me.
We'll pick up birds in a bit. Let's
I'm right
just
here.
wait. Got her. Come.
Ah, now I can see.
In fact, yeah.
Get it. There we go. There. Oh, that bird. Okay, only headshots, no gut shots.
Jack, whoa! Jesus.
Okay, hold on. Hold on.
Oh,
Okay, come here.
Jack just dropped that 10-foot cliff.
Jack, come here.
Dead bird behind
Good boy. Good boy.
Jack.
Holy.
there you go.
Come here.
Jack, back! Gunner, bring him here. Bring him here. Gunner, bring him here. I think I got hit about 20 times.
There's gonna be so much
I'm here.
these birds.
Jack.
I know. Everyone get.
Find him. Find him, Gunner.
God, right in the sun.